guys, Brittany here. Good to see you again. So before we were working on that posture, I'm standing terribly right now. So that posture, and then we shifted into that step touch versus the marches. And today we're going to move on with that a little bit because we ended with that lazy step touch, just taking that groove. Okay, now we're going to do a pony. Okay, so we're gonna get our heart beating a little bit more, bring up the energy. This step is called a pony, like nay, a pony, or like a pony, whatever you need. Okay, so here's our pony step. I'm gonna show you what it looks like and then we'll break it down, okay? So a pony goes, I'll give you a couple different arms. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or we can do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Kind of do the same arm as like, let's go like this. 2. There we go. All right. There's a pony with our footwork. The upper body can do all sorts of different things depending on our style and what we want to do. We're going to start with the pony. Now, if you don't like to bounce, get over it because we're going to bounce a little bit here with the pony. So remember the lazy step touch? Step, shift, step, shift the weight, step, shift the weight, step, We're going to start just like that, okay? 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Don't even worry about your arms yet, or you can put them on your hips. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to put our weight into the hip. 1, 2, 3. So we're going down, lift, down. Second side. Down, up, down. I'm not moving my feet at all. I'm literally just shifting my weight. Down, up, down, up, down. So to the right, right, and left, and bounce up, bounce, bounce up, bounce, like I'm sitting on one of those like exercise bouncy balls. Down, down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. Now the footwork is 3 steps. It's like 3 little runs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Don't change with the upper body or don't change the bounce. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step, when we go up, we're going to touch that opposite foot now. Up, down, down, up, down. A 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Great. Now we're just going to step the feet right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. We're still going that down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right, left. A 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. And you could see where this step could really come in handy if you're listening to a little bit more upbeat song. You can pony with like anything. Ponies are fun. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, because you can make them so big and make them like a more aggressive pony, or you can make them really small. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, there's our pony. So again, remember it's stepping right, left, right, left, right, left. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pick those feet up off the ground. Whenever we don't, we start to do something like that, which is where we kind of began. But remember, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, step, 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 step. A pony it out, a pony it out, a pony it out, pony it out. Just get the footwork today, and we'll start working on those arms in future lessons. But you can always put your hands behind your back, go up high and low. All sorts of fun stuff you can do. There's our, what's it called again? A pony. That's right. I love a pony step. So thank you for ponying with me today. I just rode a pony last week. Actually, it was a horse, but I haven't ridden one since I was like a little tiny girl, and it was really fun. So, hey, there's our pony. Thanks for dancing with me. See you guys later.